Luca Bennett has tackled fugitives. Ha! Fought mobsters. Ha! Apprehended bail jumpers. Ha! Oh man. And eaten their lunch. Literally. Yum. Oh, this is good. Oh man, that was my lunch. Yeah. And now you're handcuffed to a chair. Yeah. Sucks to be you. And now she'll have to face the greatest challenge of her career. So, what is it this time? FBI? CIA? Nope. International spies? Nuh-uh. The undead? Yeah, you wish. You're gonna have to care for this adorable baby panda. What the fuck? Seriously, Luca? You're 3 books in. Time to get ready for the inevitable transition into family comedy. Filled with comedic mishaps. Oh no! The pandas wandered into the Duchess's fancy dinner party. Sappy romance. I've found out what's been missing from my world, Luca Bennett. It's you. You and your panda complete my heart. And the obligatory vomit and or poo-related humor. We have to save this retirement home from bankruptcy, but we don't have any creamed corn. It's up to you, baby panda. No. Stop right there. No kids, no animals, and definitely no poo. Why can't we have, like, a sexy lawyer and a sexy cop, and they have to choose between me because one of them's in trouble and the other one doesn't like it? That could work. Can we keep the panda, though? I could do it, but there's only one way. Stop right there, you murderous freaks, or me and the panda will shoot. Carsen Taite Switchblade. Available May 1st from Bold Strokes Books, or on May 15th wherever books are sold.